And welcome back. We kick things off with football. Donovan Lofters says the decision to leave Jamaica Premier League newcomers Racing United to join Vere United was solely done for professional reasons and was not due to a fallout with the management of the St. Catherine club. Lofters will join Lenworth Hyde as one of two head coaches at Vere United, with Craig Butler as a technical director. The former Racing United assistant coach says his position with the Clarendon club is twofold and that he felt it was the right time to make the move.
Racing United is basically getting an offer that can help me in my coaching career, both locally and internationally. Craig has always been a fan of my type of coaching and my type of competitiveness that I bring to the table. He has always been asking me to join Phoenix. So it's not Phoenix Vere I'm really joining, it's Phoenix as player development. So the players can be more marketable in the international market, and I think I can add something to that mentally and physically.
The former Camperdown High Manning Cup coach says this new role will allow him to see the full operations of the industry and could open doors to greater possibilities.
This opportunity for me to see the other side of the coin, the international side of the coin, how the negotiations go behind the scenes, stuff like that. To see other international coaching too working. So it's a learning process for me. So I can broaden my capacity in my coaching education. And Craig is offering all of that to me, so I can't refuse that.
Lofters also spoke about how the structure will work at Vere United.
Technical and physical preparation is basically on my shoulders right now to get the guys sharp, to get the agility up, to get the tactical awareness up. Lenny is more like a structured person, including myself and Craig. We're all doing the structures and we're all butting heads, so we can bring all the coaching styles together. And hopefully we can turn the club around. Hopefully we will turn the club around.
Vere United will start 2025 a point above the relegation zone in 12th on 13 points.